What is going on, guys? I haven't dropped a video in like a couple months, but I'm back. I got my Mustang still. As you guys can see the title of the video, we bought another Mustang GTS 550, just like mine. Yeah, I actually bought it from the auction, and I made a video of the going to pick it up at the auction and everything, but somehow it got deleted. Yeah, got it back here at the shop, and I'm gonna be showing you guys, so let's head inside. We got this humongous lifted Dodge Ram. We got our Ducati right here, 848. What's up, Paco? What'd you say to me? Say it again.
Say it again.
You say it. But yeah, I guess it's in for some service here at the shop. Damn compressor. It looks nice, but yeah, let's head over to the Mustang, which you guys are all here for. Pretty loud painting in there, but yeah, guys, here it is, Mustang 5.0 GT. As you guys can see, it was hit from the front impact. So yeah, it was a pretty good buy. It was running dry from the auction, so that was the reason we got it. Looks like the frame rail is kind of bent, but we're gonna straighten all that out. And then we took the radiator, condenser, everything off just to see. The bumper was smashed up. The hood is kind of messed up. But yeah, and the bumper was there was no bumper on it. Yeah, there was no back bumper on it, but we just threw a bumper on it right now. We just got most of the parts in, threw that on there. It's got red interior. As you guys can see, it's a premium pack. So it's got basically every single option you can get. The big navigation system, red leather, it's got the blind spot monitoring, it's got the shaker audio. Yeah, it's got the shaker audio, it's got that subwoofer in the back. There it is, pretty much. It's gonna be, it's basically just the introduction. So yeah, as I said, I had the video of me going to get it from the auction and everything, but I lost that video of me picking it up and everything, and that whole process. But that video somehow got deleted, so starting off fresh from here in the shop, and we got it. So next step is going to be rebuilding it. Yeah, it doesn't have big rims like mine's, or it doesn't have a spoiler either, but throw all that on there. Pretty, yeah, I think it's bone stock actually. The guy that had it didn't do anything. And yeah, stock exhaust on it as well. Mine has exhaust and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, as I said, next video is probably gonna be rebuilding it, straightening it out and everything. So we'll see where we go from here. Hopefully you guys stay tuned to the channel, and yeah. Since I'm not doing actually any work on the Mustang here, it might be a short video, so I might make it a vlog. And yeah, so I'll show you guys throughout the day at the shop and everything. And one of my friends might be coming with his Mustang. So yeah, I'll probably be showing you guys that as well. Alright. But yeah, guys, if you guys haven't seen my Mustang, did a lot of ghost cam videos on it. Of basically a tune that makes the car chop like it has a cam, and yeah, I did a lot of videos of those, and those got a good response. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, they're on my channel, you can check it out. Got a few of those ghost cam videos, and yeah, a lot of people saw it. And yeah, if you guys don't know, it's basically almost full bolt-ons. I got Roush axle backs, American Racing headers on it. Let me just pop them up for you guys. Too many mods. Psych, I'm just kidding, not too many, but don't feel like naming it, rather show you guys. Shut up, Arco. Paco dices, vete a la verga.
Vete a la verga.
Yeah, JLT intake on it, American Racing headers. Lowering springs. Did a lot of stuff to it, spacers. It's fully blacked out. I got the headlights, everything blacked out on it. So yeah, I bought this one brand new. And yeah, we just been buying cars from the auction. So we bought that Mustang. You guys haven't seen, you can check out my channel. We bought a Corvette C6 before the Mustang. So I was gonna do that after. But yeah, so now we got the Mustang, so we're gonna be doing the rebuild series on that. And yeah, hopefully once they're both fixed, we can run them, see stock versus not stock. Right, Parker, you're gonna race me, right? Yeah, guys, we got a lot of work at the shop, so I'm gonna get back to work and pick up the camera once something comes up. So that's the hood right there. I dropped it down so you guys can see. It was hit. Kind of messed up right here, but I think it's fixable. Actually, it's not bent or nothing, and the line is actually not that bad. So yeah, as I said, just a little bit of just need to straighten it out. Line doesn't look that bad on it, as you guys can see. Throw the front rubber on, radiator support, all of that. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned, and I'll show you guys all the steps and everything. We're going to take a nice little ride on that Ducati. Watch out. Too crazy. A couple of the guys pulled up at the shop. Now I'm doing the video. Got my cousin's Camaro SS. It's got a 011 LE bumper on it. I'll put his Instagram down below if y'all want to follow him. He's got some pretty dope pictures on there. Can't really see, it's dark outside. Wow, fuck! We got the Scatty right there. Full house here at the shop. Alright, bro, you leaving? Oh, guys. Stefan!
You make a big difference though with the
With the what?
change out the sound.
Oh yeah, I know, right? It is bright. Sounds pretty nice, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta get us when we're leaving. 5.0 bros. And then we got my... Huh?
You about ready?
Yeah, I'm just gonna let him know we're leaving. And then this is the red 5.0. If you guys don't know, he's been on my YouTube channel a lot. He got the Corsa headers installed, and now he's full bolt-on. He's got an 18 manifold ported, so full bolt-on E85. You trying to run, Stefan? You trying to see my tail lights or what? Are you trying to see my tail lights or what? No, I'm just kidding. They're from the shop. That's the Mustang. Yeah, we're about to head out. We're about to ride out. So let's go. Go, bro. E85 startup.
Startup?
Yeah. Low. I don't know. It seems low for some reason. I don't know. But you said it's only an inch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Show me that little slapping noise.
Oh yeah, it doesn't do it when it first gets. That'll be louder. Oh, it gets loud. Nah, it's pretty weak. It's pretty weak, bro. I'll show you when we get to my house.
You always need to fill up, man. You need to fill up your car all the way.
Oh my! What are you at?
I was like 80.
Kroger's?
Yeah.
Bro, if I had an E85, bro, I would always be like on zero.
Yeah.
What's up? What are we looking at?
10 miles. God damn.
10 miles to eat? That's good enough, bro. I only live like 2 miles away from the shop.
You only got 24,000 miles.
How much do you got on yours?
34.
34?
Yeah.
No, you drive too much, kid.
Drive my shit every day.
Alright guys, we're about to leave in the shop here and about to head home. And red Mustang over there is gonna follow me. Alright guys, we got 2 Mustangs here. We made it home. So that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the rebuild process on the Mustang. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys like. And check out my other videos on my channel. And you can follow me on Instagram, Immune 5.0. If you guys want to check his Instagram out, I'll put it down in the description below. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.